Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the product consultant for fresher. So currently they are hiring for India Gurugram. So they have given some overview about the company, Cvent. So it's a service solution organization where, come to the current role. So they have multiple associate product consultant positions for graduates who have a work experience of 0 to 6 months. So they'll be working under the client service department for event management software product, and you are also a part of the support clients over the call and phone, and you might also give support through the phone and email or chat process and etc. So coming to this, so they're going to give the services for more than 350 product consultants, analysts, and relationship managers. And coming to the working hours, so they are hiring for 24/7 shifts. So there will be morning shift, afternoon shifts, night shifts, and every shifts. So if you got an opportunity in this particular organization, you will be getting to and fro cab facility. Like they'll provide the cab facility from home to office and office to home location, and also they'll provide the free meals. Okay, be it at any shift, like your morning shift or afternoon shift or night shift, they'll be providing you the meals like a breakfast or lunch or dinner, and they'll also provide the medical and health insurance. So coming to the highlight of this particular clients that the company is going to provide the services for, so they have more than 90,000 plus clients spread over 40 countries, and the top clients are Hotel Marriott, Hyatt, and KPMG, which is a big four company, the World Bank, Rolls-Royce, AMA, Walmart, Mobile, Yahoo, Harvard University, BMW, etc. All these are the different clients which you'll be providing the services to. So coming to the roles and responsibilities, what you'll be doing. So you'll be supporting the clients over call, like phone call, or you'll be supporting them by email, and you'll be sharing the details of their questions, like you'll be providing the assistance. So coming to others, so you'll be providing the details over the attendance, like attending the meeting, and you'll be providing some details. Okay, providing any assistance to the customers. So you're going to gather the client's requirement for any of the products. Okay, and what all are the products. So you also maintain the documentation of the products. So implement and manage the online portion of client events as whenever it is required. Gather client requirements, okay, as per the client requirement, as per the management suggestions. So you'll be communicating client and review the initial implementation with them, and you have to make any changes as per the requirement. Like, so you might also suggest few improvement ideas, like to help the process to get achieve their goals, etc. So coming to this position, so what they are looking for, so they're looking for people who has excellent communication skills, like be it verbal or written. So they're looking for a person who has good communication skills, and they're also looking for persons who has completed their graduation, and people who are undergraduate, who are dropped out also. If you're dropped out of graduate, you can also apply for this job with the condition that you have strong analytical and logical skills. If any of you are having US customer service experience, you can go ahead and apply this. So preference would be given to the candidates who have prior experience. So they're looking for people who has prior experience will be prioritized for the job opportunity, and persons who can maintain the ethics and etc. So high level of comfort using online software products like Amazon, Flipkart, any other online software applications. So must be articulated, organized, detailed, and oriented, and should be able to multitask. And that person should be a quick learner, positive attitude, etc. These are the casual things that each and every organization will look for. So if you think that this position will help you to get into this organization and this particular designation, please go ahead and apply. So link will be available in the description. Please click the like button and subscribe for us for more valuable content. Thanks guys.